Coachella. How we feeling right now?
What the fuck is that? Make some noise!
Hype Beast, what the fuck is up? Today you're gonna learn how to look your best in that fucking flower crown filter. On the real ad street where it's becoming more popular, we're starting to see it in a big range of artists, like Kylie and Alice in Wonderland wearing some off-white, and Rich the Kid and Jaden Smith in some Supreme. But we're gonna avoid the Hype BC stuff because it's totally not Coachella. And as you know, it's festival season, and actually Coachella's probably happening like right now. Like, as you're watching this video, the live stream is probably up. But thank you for watching me. I don't know why you'd do that. And we got hella festivals coming up, and the lineups are lit. So we gotta look our best to respect and impress all the festival baddies and this thick-ass crowd. And you know, Instagram too. Don't forget the reason you even go in the first place. Trying to get some good pics. I'm gonna break it down into 3 things, and they're gonna be essentials, accessories, and mindset. So let's get this show on the road. Stop. For essentials, we got your tops first. Keep in mind, it's outside, so it's gonna be hot as fuck. So we're gonna need something lightweight, unlike your turn up. Baggy t-shirts are gonna be your go-to because you're gonna be sweating, and no reason to make your off-white shirt actually off-white. Disgusting. Button-up shirts to match the vibe, but make sure you leave them open for maximum airflow. Preferably a floral one to match your flower crown, and great vibes. For bottoms, you can still rock the jeans, but make sure that you got some elastane content in them because you're gonna be moving around a lot. A light wash pair would go well since they absorb less heat, so less swap. Shorts are probably your best bet though. Grab some sweat shorts or even some swimming trunks because you're gonna be swimming in pussy. Good vibes. Last essential is shoes. Now I know how much you want to wear your Yeezys to a festival so you can impress everyone there, whatever, but trust me, in this crowd, bro, nobody can see past your tits. So chill. Also, you know, you're gonna get stepped on more than once, so you're probably not gonna like that either. I'm probably still gonna do it though. I fuck with the white Vans. They look good, clean, and beat so that you look good the whole time. But wearing your runners is also good so that you're comfy. Next up, we got accessories. And this part is overlooked. You know, hats are always great for outdoors, but only backwards, apparently, because swag. But an important one is a camelback, which people forget. Gotta stay hydrated, you know, because otherwise you'll get thirsty, and nobody wants a thirsty guy. And also, tech wear, bro. Oh my god, oh my god. Tech, where the fuck you at, bro? And you're gonna need some sunglasses too to block out anything that's not a good vibe. Because fuck the haters. Kanye's back on Twitter. Good vibes only, bitches. Also, I'm on Twitter, so if you got some shit to say, at me, boy. At ChristianVYYT. I'm trying to get better at Twitter, so follow me. Lastly, we got mindset, and just fucking have a good time, bro. Like any festival, party, social gathering, even in class, dog. Like, you don't need to be impressing anybody all the time. Fashion is a great way of expressing yourself, so don't dress like a dick if you're not trying to be one. So keep that state of mind when dressing for a festival, or even when just dressing in general. Good vibes equals a good time. Alright, so to wrap this up, don't do drugs. Okay, so thanks for watching the video, and yes, I know I said merch was coming out this week, but something came up again, so we're gonna have to delay it again. I'm sorry, I'll get this thing going ASAP, and I'll have a set date this time. Follow me on Instagram at ChristianVY for some long ass captions, and tweet at me at ChristianVYYT for Kanye retweets. Email me at frugal@gmail.com, and yeah guys, stay lit, respect women, but most importantly,